Hi my friends, welcome back to my channel Syntech Microprocessor. In this video series we are discussing about the 8086 microprocessor. In this video I am going to discuss about the block exchange program without string instruction. In the previous video I discussed about the block exchange program with string instruction, so it is without string instruction. So let's start. I hope you know about the physical address, data segment and extra segment, and from my previous video, and hope so you know about the 5 basic rules for this string instructions. And there are 5 string instruction. I told about that in my previous video, so you can check there. So now start. Block exchange program without string instruction. To execute a block exchange program, we need at least 2 blocks. Here as 25,000 one block location, another block location is 36,000. Without string instruction, when we want to execute this block exchange program, we need AL and AH to hold the data temporarily. We can transfer in microprocessor 8086 data from register to register, data from register to memory location, but not from memory location to memory location. There is no instruction in 8086 to memory operands in one instruction. Intel processor does not allow it, at least not in our level. So we need AL and AH to hold the data temporarily. By marking 1, 2 and 3, 4, I want to say that these are the steps. We need 4 steps. In the program section, we can see there are main 2 steps to execute this program without string instruction. So come into the program. So here is, my friend, the code segment, the programming part. The first one is the first part and second one is the second part. Start. Move AX 2000 hex. Move DS AX, by which we can initialize the DS with the content of 2000 hex. 2000 hex is a data segment in first segment. Okay. Then move AX 3000 hex ES, AX, by which we can locate or we can fill the EX with the content 3000 hex. Move SI, 5000 hex. Move DI, 6000 hex. This is SI and DI of that 25,000 and 36,000 segment part. Then move CX, 0400 hex, by which we can initialize the count register. By default we need to choose, we have choose the CX as a count register. Okay, it is the new instruction for all of you, that is back. Come to know here. Move AL, DS is third bracket SI, which define work on the default data segment. Move H, ES, DI, which is work on the extra segment. So move ES, DI, AI, move DS, SI, AH, by which we can initialize the content of AI and AH into DS data segment and extra segment. Increment SI, increment DI, loop back. By this instruction loop back, we go to the back instruction, by which we can execute the program repeatedly as a loop. So my friends, it is a very simple and short program for block exchange without string instruction. I hope all of you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for further notification, and you can share this video with your friends. My video is gonna short and informative. This is my main motto for all of you. Thank you.